Hi guys, it's Maureen. Welcome back to my little English page. Today's lesson is going to be very useful. I said very useful. Well, let's try to look at alternatives for very. We're having a look at intensifiers, and more specifically, not very, because you use it too much. I'm going to give them to you by order of strength, from strongest to weakest. Let's go! My two strongest ones are really and extremely. I'm extremely happy to be teaching you this right now. Then we have quite. It's not as strong as really and extremely, and it usually involves some kind of surprise. It was unexpected. I found the movie quite interesting, yeah? And let's finish today's lesson with two more, fairly and pretty. Yeah, no, I don't recommend this book. I thought it was fairly boring. Alright guys, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and of course, keep on learning. Bye bye. And let's finish today's lesson with two more, which are